Hello, crochet enthusiasts! Today we're learning 3 methods to weave in ends on your granny square. Let's get started. Using a crochet hook. Insert your crochet hook through a stitch near the yarn tail, being careful not to go through to the front of your work. It's best to hide the tail in stitches of the same color for better concealment. Weave the tail back and forth several times before cutting to prevent it from coming loose. Now, let's finish weaving in this end. I'll demonstrate the process once more. Using a darning needle. Thread the yarn tail through a darning needle. Use the darning needle to weave through stitches near the yarn tail. Weave through several stitches on your square. Let me show you this process again. Once you've woven enough, cut the tail to complete the process. Crochet and weave simultaneously. Insert your crochet hook at the position where you fastened off. As you pull through a stitch, place the yarn tail over your hook, then yarn over and pull through. Continue crocheting and weaving for several stitches. I'll demonstrate this technique once more. After weaving through several stitches, gently pull the tail and trim it. And there you have it. You've learned 3 different methods to weave in ends on your granny square. Each method has its advantages, so choose the one that works best for you and your project.